Find the coefficient of x to the ninth times y to the fifth in the expansion of negative x minus 2y raised to the 14th. So this question is similar to the previous questions where it wants us to find a specific term in the binomial expansion. But it's a little bit different because they only want us to report the coefficient as the final answer. But we are going to still be using these formulas. And because they tell us both the x and the y value, or both the a and the b value, it doesn't matter which one of these two formulas we use. So I'm going to focus on the x to the ninth and use the first formula. My a is negative x, my b is negative 2y, n is 14, and r is 9, because we're just looking at the x. So I want to plug those values into this formula, which will give us this. And then I want to simplify, and this will be the entire term. Now again, they only want us to report the coefficient. So we only need to say 64,064.